Hello everyone, welcome to my English podcast. I'm your host and today we'll talk about an interesting topic. Today I want to talk about the importance of public speaking. Many people feel nervous when they stand in front of people. Their hands shake, their voice becomes weak, but this fear is normal. Even great leaders like Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr. had to practice speaking before becoming powerful speakers. Public speaking is a very important skill. It builds confidence. It improves communication. It helps us express our ideas clearly. In school, we need it for presentations. In university, we need it for communication. We need it for seminars. In our career, we need it for meetings and interviews. If you can speak well, people will listen to you. They will respect your ideas. A good speaker can inspire others and create change. Remember, nobody is born a good speaker. Practice makes progress. Start small. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak in front of your friends. Make mistakes. Learn and improve. Believe in yourself. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Stand up. Speak clearly. And never be afraid to share your thoughts. Thank you. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with your friends.